Si se perdió el más reciente keynote de AWS ReInvent, no se preocupe porque aquí están los detalles principales acerca de computación, almacenamiento, base de datos e inferencia. Los 4 bloques más importantes de lo que es la oferta de AWS.
Since 2012. Now 13 years into this event, a lot has changed. But what hasn't is what makes reInvent so special. Had to be the foundation of what we built that business on. And so for us, part of what we understood is that security is part of your culture, right? It's something that you can't bolt on after the fact, right? It's not something that you can go launch and then add security. You have to do it from the beginning. Now, in my current role, technically I'm probably not allowed to say I have favorites, but I really love EC2. Back in 2006, we envisioned a better way. We could just provide simple, durable, highly scalable, secure storage that virtually could scale with any application. The launch of a new S3 type, S3 table buckets. S3 table buckets. This is S3 tables. It's a new bucket type specifically for Iceberg tables. And what this does is we basically improve the performance and scalability of all of your Iceberg tables. If you store all your Parquet files into one of these S3 table buckets, you get 3x better query performance. You get 10 times higher transactions per second compared to storing these Iceberg tables in a general purpose S3 bucket. That is massive performance for really doing no additional work. I'm excited to announce S3 metadata. S3 metadata is the fastest and easiest way for you to instantly discover information about your S3 data. So I am really excited to announce Amazon Aurora DSQL. This is the next era of Aurora. Aurora DSQL is the fastest distributed SQL database anywhere and delivers the next generation of AND. Aurora DSQL delivers virtually unlimited scale all across regions with zero infrastructure management for you and a fully serverless design that scales down to 0. Aurora DSQL delivers 5 nines of availability. It's strongly consistent. You get low latency reads and writes, and Aurora DSQL is Postgres compatible, so it's really easy to start using today. Automated reasoning checks prevent factual errors due to model hallucinations. So when you implement one of these automated reasoning checks, what happens is Bedrock can actually check that the factual statements made by models are accurate. And this is all based on sound mathematical verifications.
Tier intelligence and integrated quite well. So in this intelligence set of models, there are 4 flavors. First is micro, which is a text-only model, which means you feed it text and it outputs text. It's laser fast, very cost effective, and our internal builders are really enjoying it for a lot of their simple tasks. And then we have 3 flavors of multimodal models. And so multimodal models, you can input text or image or video and you output text. And so each of these are in ascending order of size and intelligence. The micro, light, pro models are generally available today. The premier model will be available in the Q1 timeframe. Our image generation models. This is our state-of-the-art video generation model. In Nova. Well, first thing is, the team is going to be working really hard over the next year on the 2nd generation of these models. But I also have a couple things that I thought I'd give you a sneak peek into. The first is that in the Q1 timeframe, we anticipate giving you a speech-to-speech model, which will allow you to input speech and get speech back very fluent, very fast. And then around mid-year, we're going to give you an any-to-any model. So this is really multimodal to multimodal. So you'll be able to input text, speech, images, or video, and output text, speech, images, and video. This is the future of how frontier models are going to be built and consumed, and we're really looking forward to giving this to you.